Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the Mylar TD sensor used in the video under the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. The TDC sensor is positioned on the engine close to the junction with the gearbox. To access it, you need to remove the battery and the airbox. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Lift the red plastic cover. Then, using the same tools, remove the positive terminal on the battery. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, an extension and a 13mm socket, fully unscrew the nut that fixes the metal holding plate. You can now remove the fastening plate. You can now remove the battery. Using a pry bar, remove the clip holding the cable sleeve of the airflow meter on the air inlet conduit. Remove the air inlet conduit from the air intake at the grille. Then pull on the conduit to take it out of the airbox. Now you need to remove the airbox. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the screw holding the airbox. Take a flathead screwdriver and unscrew the clamping clip on the turbo air inlet conduit on the airbox. Unplug the connector on the airflow meter. Separate the air inlet duct from the airbox. Remove the airbox by pulling it towards you. You now have access to the TDC sensor. Disconnect the TDC sensor by pressing the grey tab and pulling on it. Using a 10mm spanner, unscrew the screw holding the TDC sensor and the sensor heat shield. Then remove the screw and the heat shield. You can now remove the TDC sensor.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the Mylar parts and products used in the video through the link in the description. Take the new sensor. Put it back in its slot. Put the screw with the heat shield back in. Then screw it back on. Reconnect the sensor. Replace the airbox, making sure the lock is in the right place. Put the air inlet conduit back onto the airbox. Screw the clamp back on. Reconnect the airflow meter. Screw the airbox retaining screw back on. put the air inlet conduit back into the airbox. Then reinsert the air inlet conduit into the air intake. Clip the cable sleeve of the airflow meter back on. Reinstall the battery. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Then put the positive terminal back on to start with, tightening the screws with a 10mm socket. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully before fixing it in place with a spanner. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.